PX Rangers, good cars and bad cars, just really depends on who you ask when it comes to them. But of course today we're going to be doing the biggest power mod you can for these. Except it's not a power mod, we're just going to be replacing the cabin air filter for your breathing pleasure. Alright, so step number one, really difficult, open the glove box. Nice. Take everything out if you've got some accoutrements stored away in here, or gloves if you're the one person that actually has gloves in here. And then simply grab from both sides of the glove box, give it a squeeze inwards, and you'll be able to release it so it becomes a foot box. Once it is in foot box form, as you can see, there is a little door just here that has our filter housing in it. On this side there is a little clip with two little push points, as we can see here. So what we want to do is just push those in and give it a little bit of a pull out. It'll pop out. On the other side there's a little bit of a hinge. Basically when you pull it out a certain way, that'll be able to pop out, and then for reinstallation it just needs to find its little home back in there, and then it'll all clip back together. Now that we've gotten this out, we can simply reach in and retrieve our used filter. Trick shots from the workshop. Epic trick shots. Nice. Now upon collecting your new filter, you'll be able to see there's this little arrow. This is indicating which way the airflow is meant to go through the filter. Now for these Rangers, they pull in and pull down, so that means we need to install this filter pointing downwards. Alright, so with our little arrow pointing downwards, we're going to want to line this one up. So the easiest way is to just sort of find a lip on the edge and just sort of line it up based on that lip. So as you can see, we're a little bit off on that side. Lined up on that side, and then in with that one, and then we take our little door that we had before, and the hinge goes in on this end, which is really hard to do one-handed, in case you're wondering, looking through a camera screen. Stevie Wonder could have done better! So with it on the angle, it'll slot in there, and then just push it round until it clicks. Bang, and then to make all of this stop being a foot box and a glove box again, just push in those sides as you're pushing it up, and then close it, open it, make sure it stops. Wonderful. Then of course you can put all of your accoutrements back in there. Job done. Of course, if you're looking for any more videos to watch, click here, click there to subscribe somewhere, maybe. Depends if I can get it right in the end. And of course, if you're chasing a part for your car or four-wheel drive, jump on onlineautoparts.com.au.